So let's get a quick update for today. Not a good day. Let's see where we're at. 3 losses. What the hell is this trade? To be honest, I don't know what trade this was. I just did 1 share. I don't know what I was thinking there. Here. Buy 4, sell 5. Why does this not make sense? Not sure how that happened. Anyway, here. What's doing today? Looks so different. Let me check this chart. 5 minute. When I look back on this, okay, now I see what I was doing. Sorry, I can't think. So, my presumption was the trend was going up. This was the pullback to bounce back up, but it just kept coming down, stopped me out. And then again here, I presume this was the new trend. But as you can see, we're still in this area. There was no trend. When you block out, everything from here on, it kind of looks like a trend. What can I do to just block that off? I just draw a big shape. What are the shapes? Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, you can still see. I thought it would block. But anyway, coming down here, it looks like a trend was forming. This was the trend, this was the pullback to continue up. And then it just, came down further. Anyway, so that was wrong. I thought the same thing again here, where I thought the downtrend, bought here, ready for the pullback, it just went up. So basically I got caught thinking that a trend was forming when really we were range bound this morning. And this is the FOMC meeting, which I knew was coming up. What I didn't realize is that basically nothing's going to happen before this meeting. So I should have known that we were going to be range bound until the meeting. And then you can see this thing just plummeted and then bounced right back up. Like, it's freaking ridiculous. But yeah, so basically I failed at recognizing that there actually was not a trend. So it is what it is. That's okay. What I need to do is just learn how to add this range bound trading to, my skill set. Looking at support and resistance, I had this Globex high in the prior day. VWAP is this red line, and then this green line is one of my support and resistance lines that goes all the way back to Friday, where I drew this zone, and so it kept coming. This zone again is from Friday as well, of last week. It touched again here on Monday. Tuesday it wasn't respected. A little bit here, but lesser respected. So maybe this is not valid anymore, the way that it's just getting cut through. But these two zones is something that I'm sure a lot of people were able to play today. Buying down here, selling up here, selling and buying at the extremes, while it's getting faked out because I thought a trend was forming. So basically I just got to be more patient, really let the trend form. Here, this was new, so it was less of a trend and more just like a cliff and then a rebound, because he didn't really say anything. Like, nothing new happened. There were no surprises. Oh, yeah. So that's that. If we go here, we can see him down 300 for the day. So wiped out yesterday's. Two full-size stops, which is the 125. This is all 125. And then for whatever reason this morning, I did this trade, weirdly enough, just $25, just one share. I think I was testing something out. Anyway, that's today. If we look at the week, I'm down 250. 31% one rate. So yeah, we'll see how tomorrow and Friday goes. Maybe I can end at this week positive if I get a couple more winning trades. Don't trade news. Alright, that's it. That's the update.